Chile is located on the west coast of South America. The Andes Mountains run alongside the border between Argentina and Chile. The Pacific border of Chile runs along the convergent boundary of the Nazca and South American plates. Chile is one of the most homogeneous nations in South America in terms of culture and ethnicity. It also has one of the worst distributions of wealth in South America. In the last 2 decades, Chileans have come to value technical expertise over political expertise in their elected government officials. Chile is about 2,650 miles long, but it is only an average of 109 miles across, with mountains occupying between 1/3 and 1/2 that number. This means that most of the population lives on the coast. The north end of Chile is one of the driest places on Earth, and it contains lots of desert. Conversely, the south is wet with lots of forest and other foliage. Due to climate change, both the north and the south are experiencing severe effects. Torrential rains are battering northern Chile and causing flooding and mudslides. At the same time, southern Chile is experiencing a severe drought and wildfires. There is also accelerated glacier and ice loss in the Andean Mountains from which many people get fresh water and power. Desertification is also occurring in southern Chile, which means that the desert in the north is extending towards the south. This is a problem because lakes are drying up, which means that the people who rely on water to make a living will no longer have jobs. Natural disasters and unusual weather will occur more frequently due to climate change. This affects tourism because no one will want to visit a place that is having flooding and wildfires. Also, due to the loss of water, coal is being relied on more heavily than hydroelectric as a power source. This will create more of an increase in greenhouse gas emissions. To counteract this, Chile has approved the first carbon tax in South America. It is supposed to take effect in 2018. The tax is $5 per metric ton of carbon dioxide emitted. Chile is also planning on implementing better water conservation and fire prevention methods, as well as introducing mandatory climate change classes in schools. Chile also set a goal of getting 20% of its electricity from renewable sources by 2025. They are expected to generate 80% of their electricity from renewable sources by 2050. So far, they have set up solar panels in the Atacama Desert to help reach their goal. Chile is making progress, but it will be hard for just one country to change what we have all set in motion. Everyone needs to pitch in to stop climate change.
Created using Powtoon.